In this video, I am going to discuss about parallel lines, which is our topic in the reports of geometry. Parallel lines are coplanar straight lines that do not intersect at any point. Parallel planes are planes in the same three-dimensional space that never meet. So therefore, parallel lines are those lines that never intersect, or two lines that never intersect, or there's nothing intersection between of the two lines. Then the functions of parallel lines are lines with identical slope. So meaning, these lines will never cross each other. Perpendicular lines will always pass through each other and form right angles at their intersection. In constructing of parallel lines, remember that if corresponding angles are congruent, then lines are parallel. So meaning that if you can copy an angle to create congruent corresponding angles, you can create parallel lines. Then what is the points of parallel lines? So parallel lines are coplanar lines that do not intersect, as what I have said earlier. And two dimensions, parallel lines have the same slope. We can write the equation of a line parallel to a given line if we know a point on the line and an equation of the given line is y equals 2x plus 3. What are parallel lines? Parallel lines are lines in a plane that are always the same distance apart. Parallel lines never intersect. Perpendicular lines are lines that intersect at a right angle or 90 degrees. So meaning the parallel lines are those two lines that never intersect, and the distance of the two lines are the same. So like on the next video, I will put the example of parallel lines. So what is parallel line? With example, parallel lines can be defined as two lines in the same plane that are at equal distance from each other and never meet. So based on my explanation earlier, so that was mean of the parallel lines, that two lines in the same plane and having equal distance from each other. Then the parallel lines has its properties. The number one is corresponding angles are equal. Then the number two is vertical angles or vertically opposite angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal, and the alternate exterior angles are equal. Pair of interior angles are on the same side of the transversal and supplementary. So those are the properties of parallel lines. Parallel lines has three types of angles. They are alternate angles, co-interior angles, and corresponding angles. Sometimes it is called Z-angle. Connecting with the angles of a parallel lines, then in geometry, there are various types of angles based on measurement. The names of basic angles are acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, straight angles, reflex angle, and full rotation. Showing in the examples, line A, line B, line C, and there's a transversal line M. So therefore, those angles that these lines have because of the transversal, like angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 are equal. So therefore, in this example, line A is a parallel to line B, and line B is a parallel to line C. So, and line A is parallel to line C. Okay. And the second example, line A, line B, line Q, and line P. So therefore, the line A and B are parallel lines, and the line P and Q are parallel lines. Even if we make it as a long straight, it's still a parallel because the distance of the two lines are the same. So that the example showing a parallel lines. And that's all for this video. Thank you.